Hi everybody, the month of February is over, and as a ritual at this point of time, you knew what to expect. So here I am with my February earnings video from stock photography, passive income across all photography agencies, right? So I have actually accumulated all the earnings from various websites in my Excel sheet, the thing that which I have been doing, so that you in real time can track whatever earning I am having across the entire year, right? So right to start with, I mean, I'll just go through all the websites. So I've included Shutterstock, I've included iStock. iStock displays the month of, I mean, income of January in 20th February. So we always include the previous month of income in iStock. So we also have Adobe stock here. Also you can see, if I just zoom, so from 1st to 29th February, $27.76, where stock is actually very good, 36.81. Then I have Dreamstime, not so good, 3.4 US dollar. Deposit photo 2.58, and 123 RF very bad, 0.69 US dollar. And no earnings from IEM this month. So last month it was already 7.63. It was payout didn't happen, and there was no earning in IEM. Similarly, no earning in 2024 from Alami or Pond 5, and even in Big Stock I had zero earnings, right? So the one thing from contrasting last month, so Shutterstock last month, in the month of January, it was actually quite good. But this month, February is 8.56. Last month, I had 23.15 US dollar. Here it is 8.56. So that is very bad. I had almost one third, and it's for a long time. I did not cross a double digit earning in the entire month. Right? It may so happen that my content isn't updated right now, because I actually have stopped uploading actively since many years, right? Whatever you're seeing is passive income. However, compared to that, all the other websites are actually holding quite well. So iStock, it was better than previous month. Adobe stock was marginally better. Wirestock was actually better. But however, since the income Shutterstock is almost one third, that actually affected my total income, final income. So final income for this month of February is 95.94 US dollars. So you can actually convert it to Indian currency, and that will amount to around, let us see, 95.94 USD to INR. What is that? 7,900. So almost 8,000 rupee passive income. So this will add up, and at the end of the year, so already after 2 months, my earning is 220.87 US dollar. Mind it, this is only a passive income. A lot of my subscribers are uploading actively. They have got huge portfolio, and this is nothing. In 1 month they earn almost 500 to $1,000 also, right? So you can also do it. So feel free, if you're not into stock photography, if you're seeing this video for the first time, I welcome you in this channel. Feel free to go through the links in my description, where you can find the referral links, how you can sign up for all these stock photography agencies. Because if the photos are just rotting in your hard drive, there is no point, right? So you can upload them, you can do some work, you can learn how to process those photos, upload those photos in some agencies, and then you can start earning a decent passive income, which will add up and help you to invest more camera gear and whatnot as per your own liking. So that's it for today. Now, this month, the code of the day, that is in today's video, if you're watching this video till now, please type the code word grand. You can see the word grand, GRAND. So if you type the word grand, I will know that you're watching this video till now. Very soon I'll be seeing you all with another interesting video. Till then, bye and take care.